In this instance, what you're going to need is you're going to need to create a multi-transport. You can select this by left-clicking the transport manager and creating a new multi-transport. And I now have my default track, and this is pretending to be my show content. If I create another one called utility, I can line this up above the original and I can play a different track above this. So what we're going to do now is we're going to create a holding slide. And in this instance, you can see that anything above this transport will override the other. So what we want to be able to do is turn the track up. So in this instance, I'm going to use a MIDI device, which is added by adding BCF or any other MIDI devices. If we right click, we can open up this window. At this point, if we use the Alt arrow, we can now turn up and down this slide as needed. What this allows you to do is be running your show on your normal transport, and we can have this window pinned in the right corner. Anytime we need to hold a logo or a slide, we can fade this up and it completely overwrites what's below it.